In this video, I'll show you how to sign into your PSN account on your PlayStation 5 Pro using your PS application. Now, all you have to do is simply scroll down and select sign in. And then from the options that appear, you should see a QR code that you should scan on the PS app. So all you have to do on your mobile phone, simply launch the PS app and then tap on the settings wheel icon here. And then from here, scroll down and find the scan QR code option. Select that. And then if it's your first time, simply enable the camera access. So I'll just allow. And then once you're done, simply scan that QR code. And then you should see this prompt. Did you just try to sign in on your device? To approve it, simply select approve. And you'll see you're all set. Go to console to continue. So once you tap OK, and then you should get to this section. So you'll be prompted maybe to set up a PS5 login passcode. If you want, you can set it up, but for now, just keep it. Select OK, and now you've successfully signed in to your PlayStation network. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.